Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Subaru Crosstrek windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades. You'll typically need a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 16-inch blade for the passenger's side. Make sure your Crosstrek is parked safely on a level surface. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, ensuring it stays in the upright position. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the point where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old blade downwards or outwards, detaching it from the arm's hook. It should come off with a gentle pull. Be extremely careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. Repeat these steps for the other side. After installing both new wiper blades, it's crucial to perform a quick test. Get into your Crosstrek and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe them closely to ensure they move smoothly across the glass and clear water effectively without streaking or chattering. For best performance and safety, consider replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or as soon as you notice reduced visibility during rain. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.